Living in Slidell means enjoying the charm of southern Louisiana with its warm climate, occasional heavy storms, and a vibrant community spirit. Your home is your sanctuary, and the windows play a crucial role in keeping that sanctuary comfortable, secure, and energy efficient. Over time, windows can wear down or become outdated, affecting your home's comfort and safety. Recognizing the signs that your Slidell home needs window replacement right now can save you money, improve your living space, and protect your investment. Drafts and increased energy bills. One of the most common and frustrating signs that your windows need replacing is the presence of drafts. If you feel cold air sneaking in during the winter or hot air invading your space in the summer, your windows might not be sealing properly anymore. In Slidell's humid and warm climate, keeping your home's temperature steady is essential for comfort and lowering energy costs. Older or damaged windows allow air to leak in and out, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. This results in higher utility bills and uneven temperatures inside your home. If you've noticed a spike in your energy expenses without any changes in usage, it's a strong indication that your windows may be failing to keep your home properly insulated. Condensation and fogging between window panes. Have you spotted fog, moisture, or condensation trapped between the glass panes of your windows? This is a telltale sign that the window's seal has broken. Modern windows are designed with insulating glass units sealed tightly to prevent moisture intrusion. When that seal breaks, it compromises the window's insulating ability. In Slidell's humid environment, this problem can be especially noticeable and damaging. Moisture trapped inside the window can lead to mold growth, wood rot, or even damage to window frames and walls. If you see foggy windows that don't clear up, it's time to think about replacement to maintain your home's health and appearance. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows that stick, jam, or are hard to open and close are more than just annoying. They're a safety concern. Over time, exposure to the elements can cause frames to warp, swell, or deteriorate, especially in areas prone to moisture like Slidell. Struggling with your windows might also mean they're no longer secure, leaving your home vulnerable to intruders. Replacing problematic windows not only restores ease of use but also enhances your home's security. Modern windows come with improved locking mechanisms and smoother operation, making them safer and more convenient for daily living. Visible damage and wear. If you notice cracks, chips, or peeling paint on your window frames, these are signs of aging or weather damage. Slidell's coastal weather, including salty air and occasional storms, can accelerate wear and tear on windows. Cracked glass or deteriorated frames can let in water and pests, causing further damage to your home. Ignoring these signs can lead to more costly repairs down the road. Replacing windows that show visible damage ensures your home remains protected from the elements and retains its curb appeal. Noise pollution is increasing. Slidell's neighborhoods are peaceful for the most part, but if you've recently noticed an increase in outside noise, whether from traffic, neighbors, or storms, it might be due to your windows no longer insulating sound effectively. Older single-pane windows or poorly sealed frames can let in unwanted noise, disrupting your home's tranquility. Modern energy-efficient windows often feature double or triple panes with soundproofing qualities that can significantly reduce outside noise. Replacing your windows can turn your home back into the quiet retreat you deserve. Your home feels uncomfortable despite temperature settings. If your air conditioning or heating runs constantly, yet your home still feels too hot or cold in certain rooms, the issue could be your windows. Heat gain or loss through inefficient windows can create uneven temperatures, making it hard to maintain comfort. New windows with energy-efficient glass coatings and better insulation properties help regulate indoor temperatures, ensuring your HVAC system works more efficiently and your home feels comfortable year-round. Your windows are outdated and affect home value. Finally, if your windows are old and outdated, they could be negatively impacting your home's resale value. Modern homebuyers in Slidell expect energy efficiency, curb appeal, and modern safety features. Old windows can detract from the aesthetic and overall appeal of your home. Investing in window replacement not only improves your daily comfort but also enhances your home's marketability if you ever decide to sell. Conclusion: if you're experiencing any of these signs in your Slidell home, drafts, foggy panes, difficulty opening, visible damage, increased noise, discomfort, or outdated style, it's time to consider window replacement. Upgrading your windows can improve energy efficiency, boost comfort, enhance security, and protect your home from weather damage. Don't wait until minor problems become major expenses. Act now to safeguard your Slidell home and enjoy a more comfortable, beautiful living space for years to come.